Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will be teaching you how to make ElevenLabs sound natural. So let's just begin. So we have a few tips to make it sound natural. The very first is make sure that you are using a paid plan. So if you're not using that, make sure that you are at least using a free plan. You log into your account and you don't use the preview voices, as those do not sound that good. So once you have your plan and you log in, head over to text to speech, and from here make sure to choose uh, the voice which has this you can see professional voice clone option enabled. So make sure that your audio should have this check mark. You can see a lot of these audios do not have them, and make sure to choose something with this professional voice clone option. And then once you select that, another thing is, let's just say you go with hope, and then in the model section you need to be selecting the best model which is on top. So by the way, if you want to use pro and subscription plans on ElevenLabs, you can head over to the link in the description and get 50% off as well, and you can enjoy premium, original and natural sounding voices completely on flat 50% off. So that is something you should avail. And finally, once you have all these settings done, you can simply enter your text onto your screen and then get started with that. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps.